Here's a 2018 Cadillac Escalade. Every expectation is fulfilled with this Escalade. From the 6.2-liter V8 to the heated and cooled front seats, you'll relish the power and pampering you're provided. The selectable magnetic ride control and Bose active noise cancellation brings serenity to your drive. Its beauty is also in its brains, with Teen Driver, a memory package, Cadillac CUE with embedded navigation, surround vision, and automatic park assist. Thoughtful details like hands-free liftgate, adaptive remote start, and a heated steering wheel make getting there that much more pleasant. Exuding smart performance and poise, take this Cadillac home today. It's a 2018 Cadillac Escalade. Boasting uncompromising capability on a grand scale, this Escalade is like having a seasoned adventure guide for your everyday life. Unwavering confidence comes with the Hill Start Assist, StabiliTrak, and heavy-duty trailering equipment. Features like Teen Driver, Cadillac CUE with embedded navigation, and OnStar with 4G LTE give you reassurance when you need it most. The heated and cooled front seats, heated second-row seats, power-folding third-row 60/40 split bench seat, and hands-free liftgate give you unapologetic comfort and convenience from front to back. Coming or going will always be an event in this Cadillac Escalade. Make your statement today.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.